If you see any video on YouTube and your YouTube video in black screen, so how this problem occur and how you can fix it. So for that you have to come to your home screen. Now you have to long press on your YouTube application. Then you will see a option called app info. Now you have to click on this option. After that you will have an interface like this. So here you will see option called storage and cache. Now you have to open it and now you have to click on clear cache. After that you have to come to your home screen and now you will have an option called force stop. You have to click on this and force stop your YouTube application. After that you have to come to your home screen. Now you have to open your Play Store. Then you have to search for YouTube. After that, if you see any update in your YouTube application, so then you have to update your YouTube application and your problem will be solved. So that is how you can solve any problem on YouTube. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.